Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to create 200 social media posts in like 10 to 15 minutes for free. This is a great way to create a lot of content and schedule it in like 1 or 2 hours, and then it's like a set and forget situation. You create a lot of content, you schedule the content for the whole month, and you are set and you are good to go. This is a great way to keep posting and keep being active, because thinking of new content, especially with social media, it's a lot of work. I know that. And today we're gonna use primarily three tools. We're gonna use Canva here, and then we're gonna use ChatGPT, and then we're gonna use the spreadsheets, the Google spreadsheets. All of them are free. For Canva, you just go to canva.com. For ChatGPT, you go to chatgpt.com. And for Google, you just need the Google account. It's free. Everything is free. And you go to Google Sheets and you just open one, like an empty sheet. That's it. So first things first, let's begin. Go to ChatGPT to get the content. In this video, we're gonna create some quotes. We're gonna create, I got this prompt. Just give me 50 motivational quotes for content creators. Beautiful. And the same thing we're gonna use here. We're gonna give me 50 live perspective quotes for content creators. Enter. So the idea is we're gonna create 50 quotes, and we're gonna create like Facebook posts, like Instagram posts, Facebook posts, and then the same quotes we're gonna make Instagram reels, and we're gonna make another 50 quotes, which is the live perspective ones, and then we're gonna make like Facebook/Instagram posts, and then we're gonna create Instagram reels, which you can actually repurpose for like shorts, like YouTube shorts and TikToks, and it's the same thing. So we got our quotes here. Let's go ahead and copy them. Let's copy all of them and hit copy. You go here, you go to the sheet you opened, you hit paste, they're all here, and then you go to file, and then where is it, download, and then you save them as CSV. This is important. You save them as CSV. Save, they're saved. And now you go to canva.com, create design, social media. This can be anything you want actually, but for the purpose of this video, we're gonna make Instagram posts. It can be like Facebook posts, same thing. It's the same thing. So Instagram post, that's gonna make, what is it about? It's about motivational quotes. So just put quotes. So let's find a design. Just find something that's gonna work for your brand. I'm just gonna choose this one, although it's premium, it's pro. I have the premium account, but there's a lot of free ones like this one and this one. So anything without a crown is actually free. And like this one, this is awesome. This one, yeah. So the purpose of this video, I'm gonna choose this one, and then go ahead and change the colors and then like the fonts and everything to match your brand. And then we're going to apps, bulk create, upload data, and then we're gonna upload the spreadsheet we downloaded, which is this one. Hit open, and then we're gonna match the spreadsheet we opened, sorry, the spreadsheet we uploaded to this design. So you select the text, and you hit the three dots, and then you go to connect data, and then you select the data, which is this one. This is your voice matters, blah blah blah, which is this one. See? So you choose this one, connect. It's gonna show me all of this, and then we're gonna hit create 49 designs. Boom. Here. Of course, you can change a bit the stuff in here. Here. All these like ready to go. All these designs. Of course, you can modify them. You can modify the font, colors, and everything else. But hey, this is 50 Instagram/Facebook posts ready to go. You can post like 2 of these a day. You can just schedule them, and it's like a month worth of posts. This is awesome. And it's like, look, everything is here. And then we're gonna create Instagram Reels now. Same thing. Create design, social media, Instagram story, Instagram Reel. And now we can put quotes, and let's find something free. Let's find something free. No, this is very nice. This is nice. This is really nice. These are some great designs. Yeah, this is awesome. I love this one. So I just saw one that I liked. Yes, it's this. No, that's this one. Which one? It's this one. Yes. So, and of course, change the colors. You can change the video, and then change the font, and change everything else. And the same thing again. You go to apps, and then bulk create, and then upload data, and then you select the spreadsheet, and then you select the text, 3 dots, connect data, you choose the same data you uploaded, connect, and you hit create. Boom. Look, isn't that awesome? Isn't that great? Look, and you just download it, and then you upload it to like Instagram Reels, TikToks, Shorts, and all of these platforms. You can actually schedule the post. So you spend like 1 hour to 2 hours on a Sunday or a Saturday, and you are set for the whole month. This is awesome. And it's the same thing for the other quotes. You hit copy, and then copy, you go here, delete this, paste, file, download, CSV. It's downloaded. Which one is it? That's the 1-1. Okay, and then you come here. Where is it? Oh, okay. Let's create. Oops. Come on. Create design, social media, Instagram post, quotes. Let's find something. This is really cool. Yeah. You change the font, you change the colors to match your brand, and then you go to apps, bulk create, upload data, you choose your data, and then you select the text, 3 dots, connect data, continue, generate. Boom. Look, of course you can just fix it a bit. Boom. Look, 50 Facebook/Instagram posts ready to go. And the same thing you can do for the Instagram Reels. Same thing. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys wanna like a quick tutorial on how to schedule these videos and post, let me know. That's an easy thing to do. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to drop a like, it's gonna help me a lot. And if you like these types of videos, don't hesitate, drop a subscribe, and thank you guys.